Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets. First we are using the color of black. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Subscribe to our channel. First we draw the alphabet of A. A for apple, A for ant. The next one is B. B for ball, B for bat. The next one is C. C for cow, C for cat. Kids, the next one is D. D for dog, D for doll. And the next one is E. E for egg, E for elephant. And the next one is F. F for fish, F for fan. G for God. And the next one is H. H for hand. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is I. I for ice, I for ice cream. The next one is J. The alphabet of K. K for kite. Kids, now we draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. And the next one is M. M for moon, M for mango. Now we draw N. N for nose, N for nest. The next one is O. O for orange. And the next one is P. The next one is Q. Kids, now we draw R. R for rose, R for rye. And the next one is S. S for sun, S for snake. T for teacher. U for umbrella. The next one is V. V for van. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is W. X. Now we draw the alphabet of Y. And the last one is Z. Subscribe to our channel. Now we draw and coloring 2D shapes. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, first we draw the shape of hexagon. Now we draw 2D shapes. The shape of hexagon. Kids, the next one is circle. Now we draw the shape of circle. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is pentagon. The shape of pentagon. Kids, the next one is triangle. Now we draw the shape of triangle. Subscribe to our channel. And the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we draw heart. The next one is star. The shape of star. Now we coloring 2D shapes. So kids, first we coloring the shape of hexagon, and now we mixing the color of blue. Now we are mixing blue color. Subscribe to our channel. Now we are mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of hexagon and using the color of blue. The next one is circle. Now we're coloring the shape of circle. Kids, now we're using the color of green. Kids, now we're coloring the shape of circle. Now we're mixing and using the color of green. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using and coloring the shape of pentagon. Kids, now we are using the color of red. Now mixing and using red color. Kids, the next one is triangle. The shape of triangle. Now we're mixing and using the color of yellow. Now we are using yellow color. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, the next one is heart. The shape of heart. Now we are using the color of again red. The color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The last one is star. We are again using the color of blue and coloring star. Now we are using the color of blue. Subscribe to our channel. Kids, today we're coloring 2D shapes. Thank you so much for watching. Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw and coloring 2D shapes. First we coloring the shape of star. The next one is pentagon, square, triangle, circle, and the last one is trapezoid. First we are coloring the shape of star, and now we are using the color of blue. Now we're mixing and using the color of blue. Kids, subscribe to our channel. The shape of star. The next one is pentagon. Now we are using the color of green. Kids, now we are coloring the shape of pentagon, and now we're mixing the color of green. The color of green. The next one is square. Kids, now we're using the color of red. Subscribe to our channel. The next one is triangle. Now we are using the color of yellow. Now we are using the color of yellow. Kids, the next one is circle. The shape of circle. We are again using the color of yellow. The last one is trapezoid. Now we are using the color of black. Thank you so much for watching.